Hey guys, it's Arcky from Syntixis and welcome back to Xeno2Mods. You can still download this pack in the description, just as I said last time. So what we're going to do in this mission, I actually have no idea. Well, let's just talk to Arcky and see what we have to do. It's on Namek, that's what I know for sure. But I think we have to fight Frida for the first time. I'm not sure, or is it first the Ginyu Force? Well, let's just see. Oh yeah. Dies. This is even more funny. Wait, okay, there's first loading. More loading. Just skip that. Come on. Loading. More loading. Oh yeah, the full Ginyu Force. What the? His teeth were in his eyes. Oh, this is so funny. Yeah, it's the Ginyu Force we have to defeat this time. Come on, game, stop louding. Finally, all together now. The Ginyu Force. Why that guy is like in the ground? Like what the? I train a little bit in the. Come on. Oh, this Super Saiyan 4 Curly. I think that there's the big guy. Crazy finger shot. Look at the damage. It's huge. Really? I'm just going to kick your ass, dude. There you go. Oh, there's that little green guy. And that's cheese, yeah. Yeah. Look at that huge damage. Burning Kamehameha. There we go. Now, was that it? Aww. Yeah. Oh. Well, that was it. That's good, I guess. So guys, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. Comment anything below, subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I'm Arcky from Syntixis, and I'm signing out.